Hi students, today I am coming with another new problem. A 145 meter long train running at a speed of 69 kmph overtakes another train which is running in the same direction at a speed of 35 kmph in 27 seconds. Find the length of the second train. Okay, we are going to the solution. Let the length of the second train be x meters. So what is the first one? 145 plus x equal to how much? kmph 69 minus second train 35 into 5 by 18 into how much time? 27 seconds. Okay, so 145 plus x equal to 69 minus 35 equal to 34 into 5 by 18 into 27. Okay, 9 2 jar 9 3 jar 2 1 jar 2 17 145 plus x equal to 17 into 15. Okay, how much? 255. So x equal to 255 minus 145. How much you got? 110. So what is the length of the second train be 110 meters. Okay, for more videos like, share and subscribe.